Motivated owner says, sell it now. Price to move, cash buyers only. This newly decorated, affordable home on a tree-lined street is ideal for first-time buyers and investors. Binge watch your favorite show in your spacious and sunny living room featuring stylish ceiling fan. Relax in your den featuring attractive French doors. Whip up delicious meals and snacks in your modern kit featuring white cabinets and appliances. Take refreshing showers in your updated BTH featuring subway tile. No more trips to the laundromat, you have a coin laundry on site. No rental restrictions, building is 40% tenant occupied. Assessment includes heat and more. Run, don't walk. Won't last long.